Hi everybody! I hope you enjoyed creating your local legends. I wonder if anybody managed to do it in 2 words like giant's bite. I couldn't do that. It took me about 40,000 words to tell my story. I'd love you to share those local legends with me if you get the chance. Next part of the workshop is called Strange Happenings. Do, 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 do. Ignore me singing, I don't know what's wrong with me. So what I want you to do is choose your main location and write a list of all the strange things that happen in that location. So I've got a list of things that happen in Wild, in Witch Point, the town that I created. A clock which strikes 13 times when there's a funeral. A gallows in the town square. So a gallows is a place where they used to hang witches. Witch-themed shops and cafes. A cemetery which is slowly sliding down a hill, and a crossroads where people and dogs are repeatedly hit by lightning. Oh, the dogs bit makes me sad. So choose your main location and just think have a look at the ordinary things that might be there, everyday things, and think how can you make them a little bit strange. Good luck, write a list. It doesn't matter if you only get a few, just try and picture that place in your head and make it unusual. It'll help you with your story later. Okay, happy writing everybody. Enjoy making your lists. Bye. I promise not to sing again. Do 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 do.